Wait, $400 off? Yes, Shark's premium robot vacuum is $400 off right now. This thing doesn't just vacuum, it mops too. It's like the Cadillac of all robot vacuums. This is the Shark Matrix Plus, and not only is it going to mop and vacuum your house, but it's also self-emptying. I love the mop feature because the little pads on the bottom actually scrub your floors. Like, look at how they go back and forth. And the vacuum job, literally like a vacuum company came and did the work. The straightest lines you've ever seen, and the suction is incredible. Setup was a breeze too. I have a large house with hardwood floors, carpets, and thick rugs. And what you're actually getting, of course, the vacuum mop robot, then you're also getting the self-emptying base, 4 washable mopping pads, one of the Shark multi-purpose cleaners, and also 1 replaceable filter. Look, I get it, it's still pretty pricey, but if you want the best of the best, this is what you're gonna get. And since they're currently $400 off, I'd grab it now before this sale is over or they sell out. I'll link it above my name. Wait,